So guys, now I'm gonna show you how to clean your PS3 from dust. Usually the first thing you do is, I'll show you. See, it's on standby. It got power. See the power cable. You take that out. Take the power cable out. And now hold the reject button down. I don't see. See there. Hold that down. Then always hold it down like this. While you're doing that, take the power cable back in. And it's on. And now here, hold it. And let go. And it goes up. Then you just take the power cable again, pull that out. See, it's out, and put it back in, and you got power again. So that's how to clean your PS3 from dust. So, peace.